sorry about this, guys. I just opened my candle, showed you my amazing Prime Energy, and showed you my Rainbow Bouncing Putty, but I didn't save it. I forgot to save it, so we're going to do it again. So I'll be showing you. So this is the lovely Ken doll with navy, grey and white checkered top with brown hair, blue eyes, ripped jeans and white sneakers. I have these purple binoculars, another colour of the Barbie water bottle, a green one, some assorted peanuts if I want to do a road trip, a cooler, which is perfect for the summer, and lastly this map. Oh, sorry, forgot these sunglasses. This is what they look like on Ken. There you go. Alright, so this is the strawberry watermelon one and this is the blue raspberry. They were so good. And now I'm going to do a part 2 on my bouncing putty. So that's all for today. Peace.